I know it don't show, but I'm falling. Cigarette smoke, sick from drinking.
As you can see from the title of the video today, we are going to be doing a get ready with me, getting this look right here. But before we get started, if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Veronica Ponce. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button right down below and also click that bell to get notified every time I do an upload. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get started with this video. Alright, let's go ahead and get started with this video. We're gonna go ahead and do a get ready with me. So I'll be showing you the makeup that I'm gonna be doing and then also the outfit towards the end. But before we are going to get started with our eyebrows, or with my eyebrows, the pencil that I normally use first is this one, which is the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil, and it's this one right here. And I use the number 5 for this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and outline.
Baby, don't think I will save you, but I'll tell you the things we can do if you give in. There is nothing.
Next pencil that we're gonna be using is this one right here by Benefit. This is the new brow micro filling pen. I really like this one to fill in. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and use this one right here. The color on this one is medium brown.
To be broken, hear this moment. Don't let me think back, give me what I need. Just wanna for.
Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and clean up these eyebrows so they don't look all crazy. So I'm gonna be using the Benefit Brightening Concealer, and this is in the number 2. I'm also using a flat brush to go ahead and clean out and carve the edges.
Don't need time to breathe. Two hearts pumping blood, beating up for fun. Caress my bruises, don't wanna go deep.
Lately, I've been doing this little technique at the end of my eyebrows just because I do like them positioned kind of upwards. So I've been using this Got To Be glue, and I use one of the brushes for to brush up your eyebrows, and then I put a little tiny bit, not too much, and I grab it with the brush, and then I just kind of brush it upwards to get that look, that feathery look, and I really like the way it looks. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and be doing that.
Do it again and again, babe. No matter if we come clean, tomorrow is soon, we'll be strange.
Next, let's go ahead and start with the eyes. I'm gonna first prime my eyelids, and I'm gonna be using the P. Louise Base Pro, and this is in the shade number 2, the Rumor. I think that's what it's called. But here it is. So this is what I'll be using.
Guys, it's so easy and free in this dark, one oasis. There is nothing to be broken. Hear this moment.
Now that we have the base on, we are going to go ahead and start with the eyeshadow. The one that we're going to be using today, which I'm really excited, is this one right here by Glamlite. This is a Glam Donut. Look, see, it's so cute. This one right here is a shape as a donut. It has that little soft kind of case to it in the backing, and then also a little bit in the front. It's pretty cool. We are going to be working with 3 colors. Well, it's going to be a little bit more, but the main colors is going to be blue, purple, and pink. So I'm going to do the blue in the inner, the purple in the middle, and the pink on the outside. And then I'm going to reverse it back in the bottom. So I'm just going to be picking up these kind of smaller brushes, and then I'm just going to use one for each color because I don't want to mix it. So let's go ahead and get started.
Don't let me think back, give me what I need. Just wanna forget, don't need time to breathe. Two hearts pumping blood, beating up for fun. Caress my bruises, don't wanna go deep. Don't let me think back, give me what I need. Just wanna forget, don't need time to breathe. Two hearts pumping blood.
Alright, so now have those 3 colors on there. I'm gonna be doing one eye and then I'll do the other one separate. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and use these glitters now. So wherever there's a pink, I'm gonna put the pink glitter, and for the blue and also for the purple. Wow, but the glitter just looks so pretty. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and do, well, actually the white inner corner, I'm gonna do that afterwards. But yeah, I really like the way this eye look. It looks really nice. I know right now it looks weird. Both eyes are on as far as the eyeshadow. Next, let's go ahead and curl our eyelashes, and then we're gonna go ahead and use the mascara using the Tarte Big Ego.
Don't let me think back, give me what I need. Just wanna forget, don't need time to breathe. Two hearts pumping blood, beating up for fun.
Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and do just like a little thin eyeliner, but just only from like half the eye over, and do the wing liner. I'm gonna be using this Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is the liquid liner.
Caress my bruises, don't wanna go deep. Don't let me think back, give me what I need. Just wanna forget, don't need time to.
We're gonna go ahead and use the Glamlite Fresh Baked and Delicious, what's it called? Eyelashes. They look like this. I'll be using the dual lash glue, and this is the one that has the brush. This is by far my favorite, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna put a thin layer on my actual eyelid towards the edge near my eyelash, and then also on the band itself. I feel like it's more secure that way. Eyelashes are on, and now we're gonna go ahead and move on to face. We are going to be using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. This one, I really like it. It's right here. So let's go ahead and prime it before I put my foundation on. The 2 foundations that I'm going to be using, again, like always, I always mix them. I don't know why. But we're going to be using NARS. This one is the Barcelona. And I'm using the Too Faced Peach Perfect. And this is in the color Sand. So I'm going to go ahead and mix these together. Lately, what I've been liking the most is actually applying my foundation first with this flat brush. I don't know if these are called kabuki. I could be wrong. But it's this flat one. And then after I'm done, I go over with the beauty blender, and I like that combination a lot right now. So let's go ahead and do that.
I know it don't show, but I'm falling. Cigarette smoke, sick from drinking. Baby, don't think I will save you, but I'll tell you the things we can do if you give.
The other thing that I like to do is actually put some of the setting spray on the after I'm done with the foundation, before I put the contour and the concealer. I feel like it gets sealed better for some reason. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is the Dewy Set. Next, we are going with the concealer. I am using the Too Faced Born This Way. This is the porcelain that I'm using, so I'm gonna use this. And then also I'm using the Fenty Beauty for contour, and this is in the color Truffle, and it looks like this. So this is what I'll be using to contour as well. So let's go ahead and get started.
There is nothing to be broken. in this moment. Don't let me think back, give me what I need. Just wanna forget, don't need time to breathe. Two hearts pumping blood, beating up for fun. Caress my bruises, don't wanna go deep. Do it again and again, babe.
Now we're gonna go ahead and use some setting powder. I am going to be using this one, RCMA. I really like this one because it's it goes on clear, but it doesn't wrinkle or anything like that underneath my eyes. So this one has been working out good, but I don't bake. So I just pretty much put a little bit on the sponge and I just pat it into my skin. And then I just pretty much do that more on the highlights of where I actually did the contour, but I'm sorry, not the contour, but the concealer. And then what's left over, I'll go ahead and do it where I actually did the contour. So let's go ahead and do that.
No matter if we come clean, tomorrow is soon, we'll be strangers. It's so easy and free in this dark.
Next, one that I've actually been using a lot lately is this one, the Dragon Beauty, and this is the pressed powder palette. And I normally use both. I mix these two together, and this is what I do to kind of put over the powders into the contour so it stays in place. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that combo right now.
There is nothing to be broken in this moment. Don't let me think back.
Then I'll use the same color combination for my nose, and I normally use this angled one.
Just wanna forget, don't need time to breathe. Two hearts pumping blood, beating up for fun. Caress my
With the same palette, I'm gonna go ahead and use this pink color right here for the blush.
bruises, don't wanna go deep. Don't let me think back, give me what I need. Just wanna forget, don't need time to breathe. Two hearts.
And last, I'm just gonna go ahead and bronze a little bit. I just do it tiny little bit, just kind of blend everything together. I'm using this one by the Cheek Leader Brown Squad by Benefit. I really do like the Hola color, so I'll be using this one.
Pumping blood, beating up for fun. Caress my bruises, don't wanna go deep.
And then next, I'll be using the highlighter as well in the same palette. I'm going to be using the one that's called Cookie. Right, now that that's done, the last thing we're going to do is do the bottom eyeshadows. So let's go ahead and do it now. Instead of starting with the blue, we're going to start with the pink, the purple, and then the blue.
Do it again and again, babe. No matter if we come clean. Don't let me think back, give me what I need. Just wanna forget, don't need.
And then for the inner corner, we're gonna go ahead and use the white in the middle. almost done. The next thing, we're just gonna go and do the little line in the inner corner to kind of make it like that longer look. Again, I'm going back with the Anastasia liquid liner for that. Next, I'm gonna use this Huda Beauty actual pencil, eyeliner pencil, and I'm gonna be doing this for the upper. Just be blended together and you can't see the difference between my eyelashes and the fake ones.
To breathe, two hearts pumping blood, beating up for fun. Caress my bruises, don't wanna go deep. Don't let me.
Next, we're gonna go ahead and use this white ColourPop pencil cream gel liner, and this is gonna be for the bottom.
Give me what I need. Just wanna forget, don't need time to breathe. Two hearts pumping blood, beating up for fun.
All right, before we put mascara on our bottom lashes, I'm gonna go ahead and use a setting spray to set my whole face, and then we'll go ahead and do that. I'll use the beauty blender to go ahead and pat down and make sure that it all the powders, you know, pretty much kind of melt and sink in.
Caress my bruises, don't wanna go deep.
Alright, so I kind of put a nude color on because I didn't want to overpower the eyeshadow. I can't find the other one that I got from MAC, and I really like the other one better, but I guess this will do for now. So yeah, this is pretty much the final result. Let me go ahead and take this off. Alright, my heart fam, well, if you made it here at the end of this video, I hope you enjoyed this get ready with me with this little bright, colorful look that I really like. And yeah, hopefully you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, and also if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that the button right down below, and then also click the bell to get notified every time I do an upload. I do uploads twice a week. With that being said, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys until the next video. Bye!